Hey Emma. How are you today?
Hi Jude, I'm doing great for Monday morning.
Well, good to see you. Anyway, I had to go do some research on cloud computing. My boss wants a report by noon.
Hold on. I can tell you all about it. I know everything about cloud computing.
Well, sure. If you don't mind. That would certainly help me a lot. I need to know everything about it.
Let's see. Where do I start? Imagine you start a company and you have a website for that company. The website is hosted on a server, which you bought for your small company.
Fair enough.
And your company is growing, and more people are visiting your site.
Okay.
Soon enough, you start encountering issues with your website. Since the traffic on the site is very high and a lot of people are visiting it at the same time, the service slows down and the equipment cannot keep up.
I understand. The website slows down and because of that, less and less people are visiting it.
Exactly. At this point you start losing your website's popularity. What do you do to resolve this issue?
Well, you have to get more servers in order to resolve this problem.
Yes, you have to buy more servers and set them up. It's very expensive. You have to pay for the installation and the servers and the IT support. But you have no other choice, right?
Right.
Wrong. A few years ago, you had no other choice. But today, there is cloud computing.
Okay, so how does it work?
Instead of buying and installing new servers, you can now instead put your website on a server, online. When you need more power, you can almost instantly scale it on demand. Do you understand?
I'm not quite sure I understand.
As the traffic increases on your website, the need for power increases. Right?
Right.
Without cloud computing, you have to provide the power all the time, even when you don't need it. You have to buy the equipment and pay for its maintenance and installation.
Okay.
Now, with cloud computing, you do not buy any physical equipment. It is all online. And it is always available. You only pay for the power when you need the power. You can turn it on and off almost instantly and scale it up or down instantly to fit what you need when you need it.
Okay, I understand. It is a lot cheaper and more effective.
Exactly. You don't have to focus on the hardware. You can now focus on growing your company. And you are saving time and money.
Very impressive.
It truly is. Now, I gave you an example with a website for your growing company. But cloud computing can be applied to almost any application. Instead of paying for the installation of the application on your system and worrying about the data, the processing, the troubleshooting.
I get it. You can just use the application through the internet, which is related to your company's computer network.
Good job, Jude. I think you really understood the concept.
I think I really understand. Thank you so much, Emma. I think I'll be able to explain it to my boss.
I think so too. Remember, cloud computing is the new thing. It's truly amazing.
All right. Well, I will see you at lunch then.
Yes. See you at lunch, Jude. Bye.